Okay, we are going to do some chocolate seashells. So I have this kind of a mold right here. You can find these online, or you can get the clear candy molds also that have seashells. And then this is just white coating chocolate. I melted it in the microwave and just placed it in a parchment bag, so it's a little easier to get it in the mold. I just want to squeeze, keep the tip embedded in the icing, in the chocolate, and squeeze. And then what I'm going to do is pop this in the freezer for a few minutes until it sets. Looks like I have a little lump of chocolate there. Okay, maybe it wasn't completely melted. Then what I do before I put it in the freezers, I just kind of tap it like this. And it's easier if it'll fit in your freezer on a sheet tray, then it's easier to keep it straight on a sheet tray. But a lot of us have the side-by-side refrigerator freezers and you can't get much in there. So you just kind of have to leave a flat spot and then pop this in the freezer. And then I will show you how to get those out once they're set. Let me just put them there to the side though so I can go on with showing you how to color them. So these are dusting powders. They are called luster dust. They have an iridescent kind of a sheen to them. Some of my favorite ones for shells: spiced pumpkin, I've got tan opal, and a rouge flambe. Okay, so the tan opal, what I do is just take a little bit of that and just take one of the shells, and I like to go across the shell in a couple of areas, like one up here and maybe one just here, and then just leave it like that. So you have some of the white chocolate showing. On one of the larger ones, same thing, go across here, here, and maybe a third time, like so. Then if you want to take some of the spiced pumpkin, looks really good on the starfish. And the thing about the starfish, if you actually put it on there and then wipe some of it off, it looks even a little bit more realistic. You wipe some of it off, like so. Okay, and then the rouge flambe is just a little bit deeper color, or a little bit more of a rust kind of a color. You can also use browns also. I don't have any browns here today, but sometimes I'll use one called mahogany, or there is a luster dust also called just brown. Okay, we can use this on the starfish also. Wipe some of it off, and you see more of the detail once you wipe some of it off. That one's already done. So I just want a variety of colors here. And then for the sugar sand, for that I have, here I've labeled it light sugar sand. What it is, all it is brown sugar mixed with white, just regular granulated sugar. Okay, just to kind of lighten it up a little bit. Okay, so let me put this aside. I need to get some of my buttercream out. We're going to put some white buttercream on the board. And let me actually get this in the freezer. So we'll be right back. Let me pop this in the freezer. We'll be right back.